Now to a judge's split decision on the detention center in the Everglades. Part of the lawsuit has been dismissed. Jordan Cassane is live in Miami with more on today's hearing. Jordan?
Yeah, that hearing taking place at the federal courthouse yesterday, actually, but that judge handing his ruling down late last night, dismissing a portion of the case and transferring its remainder to the Middle District of Florida.
This is basic and guaranteed at almost every other carceral facility in the United States. And there's a very big question as to why this is not happening at Alligator Alcatraz.
A federal judge issuing a split decision in a lawsuit pertaining to the legal rights of people detained at migrant detention center dubbed Alligator Alcatraz.
People are being held at Alligator Alcatraz in horrifying conditions. Their rights are being violated on a daily basis.
This after members of the ACLU and other civil rights groups sought a preliminary injunction in court on Monday, ensuring one, detainees have confidential access to attorneys, and two, that they'd be granted bond hearings, otherwise violating their due process rights.
This case challenges the lack of attorney access at the detention facility, as well as the defendant's failure to provide bond hearings for people who are held at Alligator Alcatraz.
That federal judge rendering those issues moot, ultimately dismissing that portion of the suit after Chrome North Processing Center was designated to oversee detainees' legal needs last weekend.
This is a victory for people held at the facility, a victory for civil rights, and a victory for immigrants all over the country. The government has now designated an immigration court that will hear cases for people who are held at Alligator Alcatraz.
The issue of proper jurisdiction at the forefront of that hearing, too. Defendants' attorneys argued Monday the case should be heard in the Middle District of Florida because they say that's where a majority of the migrant facility is located. That federal judge seeming to agree Monday night, ultimately deciding to transfer the case out of Miami-Dade and to Fort Myers. So this is one of two federal suits being brought against that migrant detention center. The second concerning environmental impacts plaintiffs say construction has on the Everglades and its surrounding area. The judge in charge of that case supposed to make her ruling later this week. For now, we're live in downtown Miami. I'm Jordan Cassane, 7 News.